At first, the skin looks completely normal, but when we move closer, slowly something else begins to appear. Tiny dark spots, small clogged pores, a texture that isn't quite as smooth as it seems from far away. So why does this happen? It's simple, really. Our skin naturally produces oil. Combine that with dead skin cells, a little dirt, some bacteria, and pores can slowly become blocked. Over time, the skin barrier gets a little weaker, and buildup becomes more visible. Nothing to worry about, just something we can gently care for. Let's look closer, gently, at what's really happening on the surface here. Small blackheads sitting along the nose. There, a few clogged pores near the cheeks. A little oil buildup catching the light. The texture just slightly rough to the touch. Nothing dramatic. Just the small, everyday signs of skin that need some calm attention. Today, we're going to walk through a calm step-by-step routine. Nothing harsh, nothing rushed. Just simple, consistent care, designed for cleaner pores, smoother texture, and healthier looking skin over time. Step 1. Cleansing. A soft, light cleanser, gliding slowly across the skin. Watch as it moves over the forehead, the cheeks, the chin. Surface oil starts to break down. Dirt begins to lift away. With every gentle motion, the skin feels a little cleaner, a little softer. This is where every good routine starts. Step 2, deep cleansing now. A second cleanse, slower this time. This step reaches a little deeper, clearing away anything the first cleanse left behind. It prepares the pores, softly, getting the skin ready for what comes next. Step 3, warm steam, rising gently across the face. Close your eyes and imagine the warmth settling into the skin. It softens buildup inside the pores. It relaxes the surface. Slowly, the skin feels ready, open, calm. Just a few quiet moments of warmth. Step 4, smart exfoliation now, gentle exfoliation. No scrubbing, no pressure. Just soft, circular movements, lifting away dead skin cells that sit on the surface. This is what helps unclog pores, carefully, without ever irritating the skin. Smooth, balanced, controlled. Step 5, targeted pimple care for areas that need a little more attention. A calming treatment is applied. Ingredients like salicylic acid help clear congestion inside the pores. Niacinamide helps calm the skin and even out its tone. Apply gently, dot by dot, exactly where it's needed. And now, the most satisfying part begins. Watch closely as the pores slowly start to look cleaner. Congested areas begin to soften. Blackheads that once stood out start to appear less visible. Pore by pore, step by step, the texture begins to change. Nothing rushed, nothing forced, just slow, careful, satisfying progress. Look at the difference already forming. The congestion is fading, pores appear cleaner. The texture looks smoother under the light. The skin feels lighter, calmer, more balanced than before. Step 6, soothing toner, a calming toner. Press gently into the skin. Redness begins to look reduced. The skin starts to feel more comfortable. Balance is returning, slowly, layer by layer. Step 7, moisturizer hydration matters more than people realize. A lightweight moisturizer glides across the face, supporting the skin barrier. This is what keeps skin soft, balanced, and resilient. A soft finish begins to appear, fresh, comfortable, alive. Step 8, sunscreen to finish the morning routine, a light layer of sunscreen. This simple step protects the skin through the day and helps prevent dark marks from looking worse over time. Small step, big difference. Routine recap: morning, cleanse, treat if needed, moisturize, protect with sunscreen. Night, cleanse, deep cleanse, gentle exfoliation on selected days. Treatment, moisturizer, simple, repeatable, calm. Clearer skin is not built in one night. It improves slowly with gentle care and consistency. Every small step adds up, even on the days it feels like nothing is changing. Thank you.